لي غيرك انتي في خيالي.
Vintage na vintage ang dating. Okay.
Hello guys, it's me Sean. So back again for another video. So it's been a month since I vlogged or like talked to you guys. So anyways, we're here in Casa Grand here in Ginobatan, Albay to stay for a night, and tomorrow yung check out namin. It's a quick vacation here in Bicol lang before the school starts. So yeah, sila mami nagpapahinga, kami ni Aina baka magpapalitas, then we're going to the pool area na to explore the resort. So yeah, see you guys later.